Welcome to watch our video. This is Opro-tech Engineering. In this video, we are going to show you some CNC machining parts and precision metals made by us. Here are some pictures of the items. We accept rapid prototyping, small batch, and mass production also. We have 10 wire-cut machines imported from Japan, 2 profile grinding Wasino machines, 20 CNC machines, 28 surface grinders, 3 EDM machines, 6 mirror EDM, and 2 EDM drilling machines. We can make some very precision metals with the tolerance in 0.002 millimeter. The temperature-controlled workshop makes sure the feature performance of the steel materials remain steady. The high-precision imported machines enable us to provide our clients with high-quality spare parts and components, such as 5-axis CNC machines and Wasino Optical profile grinders. We can machine different kinds of parts with the various metallic materials. Contact us by sending your draft for quotes. Our story starts now. Thank you for watching.